I pulled every video from a YouTube channel, 88 of them into our data pipeline, and found something that the creator didn't know. Their most viewed video has one of the worst engagement rates in their entire channel. Here's how I found that and what else the data showed to me. Let's begin. This is a channel performance analytics project where I analyzed performance data of my own YouTube channel. I connected to YouTube Data API and YouTube Analytics API to pull video level and channel level metrics such as views, likes, comments, audience geography, watch patterns, and traffic sources. Then I layered on sentiment analysis using VADER, a lexicon-based model built for short and informal text such as YouTube comments. The output is two things: an executive summary report and an interactive dashboard. Across 88 videos, this channel has generated 14,739 views and 717 likes for 12.06 average engagement rate. Interestingly, the median engagement rate is only 9.87%. This tells us a small set of standout videos is pulling the average up. This is a huge win for us. There's a specific recipe for our success that we need to duplicate to scale. And it's working. We can see that the viewers numbers has surged by 82.8% in the last quarter compared to the previous one. This channel is accelerating, not just historically popular. The reach and resonance finding. The finding I opened with, I plotted engagement rate for each video and cross-referenced it with total views. The single video in the database with highest views around 2,500 has engagement rate at only 1.3%. Meanwhile, some videos with only 20 to 40 views has hit above 30%. Reach and resonance are two different metrics. And the channel that optimizes itself only for views can accidentally train itself away from the content its audience actually loves. Audience concentration and distribution risk. Two numbers really define this channel's current shape. First, 92.72% of views come from a single country. That's a strong product market fit, but this also shows concentration risk. If that market's algorithm or interest shifts. Second, 54.64% of views come through YouTube Shorts. Again, powerful as of now. This shows this channel's distribution heavily depends upon on one surface. I would suggest start testing long-form search traffic and playlists as a hedge without walking away from what's working. Sentiment analysis. In the comment section, I scored 106, and according to the VADER sentiment analysis, 96.2% of them came back positive and 0.9% negative, which indicates audience who engages really likes what they are, genuinely likes what they are watching. So the five recommendation I would suggest: double down on people and blogs, which already has highest views, average views. Diversify beyond shorts. Decide on India versus global. Reverse engineer top performers for repeatable patterns and prompt for more comments. All these, including data collection, analysis, reporting, or dashboards, you can find on my GitHub. Let's walk through this channel performance dashboard. This covers 88 videos spanning from 1st August 2019 to 1st July 2026. Total views is at 14,739, up by 82.8% versus prior 90 days. This shows recent momentum is strong. Engagement rate is at 12.81%, whereas the median rate is at 9.9%. The gap between mean and median shows that few videos are pulling the average up. Net subscribers are at 94 with a healthy ratio of 116 gained by 22 lost. Comment scored is at 106 with 96.2% positive, showing a very favorable audience reaction. Weekly views chart plots views aggregated by week across the channel's history. The plot has mostly a flat line near zero with several spikes, sharp spikes. The first one in 2022, whereas the tallest one we can see is in 2024 January with around 2,400 views. This pattern indicates that individual videos are performing, going viral, or being picked to be shared rather than an overall organic growth. The scatter plot shows video length by engagement rate. The dense cluster of short videos shows engagement between 0 to 40%, whereas longer videos has moderate and consistent views. This suggests length of a video is not a strong predictor of engagement, better engagement. Let's move on to videos tab. Here we can see a table which holds all 88 videos with columns like title, category, published, duration, views, and engagement. Here the views column is sorted in descending order. We can see that the short video with hashtags like trampoline, Ritz Happy World, City of Joy has highest views with only 1.3% of engagement. And Kolkata to Bokaro, a longer video has more engagement. This indicates that keyword heavy short videos attracts raw views, whereas while more niche videos bring deeper engagement. Let's move on to sentiment tab. Here we can see that sentiment breakdown shows 102 positive sentiments, with smaller slivers of neutral and negative feedbacks or comments. Below we can see the percentage representation of the same with the emojis. This shows a live feed of latest comments with sentiment level between scores between 0 to 1, with higher, more positive. As we can see, the nice comment scored 0.42, whereas the 5 hearts scored 0.97. With the grateful messages, replies also scored between 0.96, 0.97. Let's move to the audience tab. Views by country and traffic sources shows that India has the more concentration, and short videos has attracting the more views. This indicates concentration and distribution risk. Diversifying the traffic sources and testing content in secondary market may reduce that risk. Thank you. If you want to see how it's built, or want a similar kind of breakdown for your own channel, let's talk.